Hey everybody, I got another pocket letter video for you today. So this is for my Facebook group and it's Googly eyes. Googly eyes. So I just picked my favorite die cuts and I gave them eyes. So I used all my animal ones I have. So my cat, my moose, my monkey, my little rabbit, my pretty kitty. This is probably my favorite die cut, is the cat. Yeah, and then I just used my sparkly tape. There's my little flamingo, there's my turtle, and there's my bear. So yeah, that's all I did, was just do little like animals. So I think that turned out pretty well. A bunch of different colors, kind of cheery. And then I'll just show you the back. So I just put a T in there, some tags, and then I got some smiley faces, another T, more tags, and I got these animal buttons, so I thought those were cool. And I got some happy face stickers, and then more happy faces. These are the bigger sizes. Then some animals, because it was animal pocket letter, and then some wooden animals. So that's the back. And that's my front. Yeah, so just a little fun pocket letter. All pocket letters are fun, but this is just like a little silly one. And then I'm also going to include some happy face tattoos, more smiley faces stickers, some kitty stickers with the sunglasses, and some butterflies. So yeah, so this is a Google-eyed pocket letter for my Facebook group. Later.